Hey guys, welcome back to Your Champion Life with me, Ron Williams. Listen, I've been excited to do this series, and now this is the second video in the series. I'm gonna talk to you today about nutritional supplementation, which includes the vitamins. Now, with that being said, I wanna start with a disclaimer. Over-supplementation and inappropriate use of supplements can be dangerous. So be sure to speak with a health professional before ever starting any type of supplement regimen. Let's take a quick look at the ABCs of vitamins that promote muscle repair and muscle growth. We're gonna start with vitamin D. Vitamin D has been given the nickname of the sunshine vitamin. And that's because we can get this vitamin from the sun. When you're outside in the sun, your body is actually absorbing the vitamin D. You can also get it from foods like fish and other good sources. However, it's hard to get the amount that you need, especially if you work inside or if you live in one of those states that you don't get very much sun. Vitamin D helps to retain healthy bones, and it supports protein synthesis, which enhances muscle growth. Vitamin D also helps to promote nutrient absorption. It aids in balancing out your moods. Although it's difficult to get enough, I'm just going to give you a list of a few foods that you can eat that'll help with getting vitamin D, like fatty fish, tuna, mackerel, salmon, beef, things like liver, egg yolks, cheese. These foods help you to get the vitamin D levels up. Vitamin D helps you to absorb calcium at a much higher rate. So as you can see, it is very important to get vitamin D. So with vitamin D, you can also get it in supplement form. So if you're not getting enough vitamin D, be sure to supplement it. Now the next vitamin I want to talk to you about is vitamin B. Now the vitamin Bs are very important. The vitamin Bs are power players when it comes to building muscle and repairing muscle for overall growth. Let's start with vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 helps your body to produce the red blood cells, and they're responsible for delivering oxygen to the muscle, which is necessary for muscle growth. If you're not getting enough vitamin B12 in your diet, it is easy enough to just supplement. The next vitamin B I want to talk about is vitamin B6. You'll want to get enough of this vitamin. It promotes red blood cell production, at the same time healthy levels of nitric oxide, which is good for muscle growth. Now listen, the vitamin B6 is utterly important. Okay guys, let's talk about vitamin B3, which is also known as niacin. Now this niacin supports muscle growth. It gives your muscle a fuller pump during and after your workouts. Now bodybuilders and fitness models, they load up on vitamin B3 before and after photo shoots because it helps you to keep that pump. With vitamin B3, it promotes metabolism, especially the metabolism of glucose, and it helps hormone production. You can get this vitamin easily through supplementation. Let's move on. Remember, we're still in the B vitamins. These are power players. Vitamin B2. This vitamin supports energy production. So it is a key for anyone trying to make those big gains in building explosive muscle. Additionally, this supplement reduces soreness after workouts. So what does this do? It helps you get back in the gym sooner. It helps you to repair and recover from that muscle soreness. So get vitamin B2. Okay, we've talked about a few of the vitamins, but I want you to know that there is a downloadable list below that's an extensive list that's gonna help you in such a way that it's gonna promote building max muscle. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I've used through the years. It's more than just vitamins, but other supplements, proper nutrients and supplements that's gonna help explode your muscle building. Whey protein would be one, and I'm gonna explain to you why. But the important thing is that you get this downloadable list. Click below and get it, and it's gonna help you to understand why you would take this, the necessity of having the proper nutrients in your body. Now, there's more than just macronutrients, but there are the micronutrients. The micronutrients are equally as important. The macronutrients are the calories. The micronutrients are actually the vitamins and nutrition that you need out of those macronutrients. So you can get a lot of calories in your body, but if you're not getting the nutrition, it's going to be hard for you to sustain this muscle that we're talking about building. So guys, I want to end with this. Make sure you download this PDF, look through it. It's really important to get the information up here. Utilize what's on those PDFs and get busy building max muscle. Boom! There you go.